How VOYO customers link to shops. VOYOLink allows customers to link to your shop with a single click from the VOYOLink website. This video explains how customers request to link to your shop, and how you review and accept these requests. The vehicle owner will log into the VOYOLink site and search for shops in their area. The vehicle owner then clicks the link button for the shop of their choice, in this case your shop. An email is sent to the vehicle owner confirming that the link request has been submitted to your shop. Your shop will receive a new user request on the linked vehicles table located on the My Shops page. Check the customer's profile to decide if the customer is a good match for your shop. The profile page shows information about the customer and their vehicle. To accept the requested link, use the Update button to change status from New User to Current. Once a link request is accepted, the link count in the My Shops table will update. The customer's data is now available in VOYOLink and alerts are available in your Manager SE account. In the customer view, the link request to a shop updates from pending. If no action is taken within 3 days, the link request will expire and a notification email will be sent to the customer. We look forward to providing you the powerful data management and integration tools to make your shop a leading-edge connected shop.